Hello. Let's prepare the DXF file to produce the CityGML with CADASTRO 3B.net. This file can be prepared with any CAD program. First of all, there must be a building application project with codes written on it. The codes are orthometric codes that should be after the building construction is completed. We should check the position accuracy of the geometry by entering the written coordinates. This part is drawn for print and I delete it. Here we have the building with coordinates and codes. We open the architectural project of this building. We copy the project and paste it into an empty area in the section where the building application project is located. Firstly, we delete the true and multiple true objects that will cause the areas of the parts to be incorrect in the project. Other object types may remain. Firstly, we open 3 layers. GML ref means reference. GML KP doors and windows. And GML ridge if there is a sloping roof in the building. We take the land codes in the building application project to the GML ref layer. Then, we determine according to which floor plan the building in the building application project is drawn in the project. For this, we can check the facade dimensions of the building. In this project, the building application project is arranged according to the basement floor plan. Now we will create reference lines so that the application can transform with the help of 2 points. In the project, we create our reference line by paying attention to the direction in the site plan. In the building application project, we create our reference line with the same point sequence. When we check the lengths of this reference line, taking into account the scale, they must be equal to each other. We do not draw the reference line again for other floors. We copy the existing line we have drawn to other floors with the help of the common point. Our common point here is the intersection of G opposite and 1 axis. Now let's create the floor data. Our floor data format is as follows. Floor subdash, floor number, we write -1 because it is a basement floor. Colon, slab thickness and floor project elevation. Slab thickness and floor project elevation are taken from the sections and written in metric. In the same way we write the other floors in this format. In general, uppercase and lowercase letters or Turkish characters, English characters do not matter in the application. It accepts them all. In this data, we take the GML ref layer again. We also add the independent section data to the project. And we organize it according to the project. We take the doors and windows to the KP layer with their width and height values. We organize the doors with only the height value. We organize the windows as height from the ground and window height by measuring from sections or views. Finally, we take the ridge line, ridge elevation, and roof slope data to the ridge layer. To repeat from the beginning, we have cleaned the correct and multiple correct objects that may cause the area geometries of parts such as rooms, living rooms, bathrooms, stairs, lifts to be incorrect in the project. We created 3 layers. We did the following operations in the GML ref layer. We took the codes to this layer. We drew reference lines for transformation. We edited the floor data and independent section data. We took the doors and windows to the GML KP layer and edited the height values. Finally, we took the ridge line, ridge code, and slope to the GML KP layer. Since it is a summary expression, we have shown some operations briefly so that it does not take time. We save the file in DXF format. We access the site by typing CADASTRO 3B.net in the web browser. We quickly create a user registration and log in. We enter the necessary information with the New Project button and create a new record. We upload the DXF file we have produced to the system with the Upload Project button. Yes, after the application process is completed, a zip file containing 2D and 3D drawings with CityGML has been created. We may not always see green color here, but it is not a problem. When errors occur due to deficiencies in the project, warnings will occur in writing and in the form of a drawing file for visual detection. We can examine the drawings by downloading the zip file. In the 2D file, we see that all area geometries, internal and external boundaries, doors and windows are formed together with their qualities. We can also examine the 3D file to see if there is a shift in the floors or an abnormal situation on the roof. From here, we download the CityGML file. Let's look at the CityGML file in outline. CityGML file with YML extension can be opened with text editor applications. It is a readable file. There are 4 main components in CityGML. In the first one, the outer shell of the building, balconies, all parts of the building such as rooms, living rooms, and bathrooms, common areas such as electrical center, stairs, elevators are written. In the second part, the floors, in the third part, the independent sections, and finally, in the fourth part. In the first 3 sections, the components written in the first 3 sections are written as a group as a reference. We access the 3D building verification system of the General Directorate of Land Registry and Cadastry with the GML upload button and upload the file we have produced to the system here. After the verification process is done, we can go to the details. From here, we make 3D viewing. By double-clicking on the floors, we can examine the independent sections within the floor by clicking on the independent sections. We can also download information about the building from the PDF report section. As the last step, you try to complete the automatic verification process and confirm by entering your information. After the approval process, it outputs the code as follows. This is the output to be forwarded to the relevant institution. They access the model and information we have created by entering this code from the result display menu in the system. This is what we will summarize in the application. Detailed explanations are given in the next videos. Thank you for watching.